Okay, this is a multiplication lesson using the standard algorithm. Most of you are using your own way to solve these problems, but in 5th grade the standard says that you are able to do this with the standard algorithm. So you should all learn how to do it that way because it is the most efficient way to do it. So we're going to go ahead and start with 47 times 24. And first thing you're going to do is we are going to stack them on top of each other like that. And so the next step is I usually just forget about this 2. It's like it's not even there. And I'm just going to do 47 times 4. So 7 times 4 is 28. So the 8 goes down and the 2 goes above the 4. Then I do 4 times 4, which is 16, plus 2 gives me 18. So this is 188. So that was the first step in the standard algorithm. The next thing is now I'm going to cross out the 4 and the 2 that I regrouped over here so I don't get confused with what I'm going to add to the next one. So this next part is I have to realize I'm doing 2 times 47, but this 2 really isn't 2, it's 20. It's in the tens place, so because of that I have to add a 0 down here. So then to do that, and then I can just start doing, now I just do 2 times 47 and put it next to the 0. So 2 times 7 is 14, 4 goes down, the 1 goes up here. Then I have 2 times 4, which is 8, plus 1 is 9, making it 940. Now I have to add these two numbers together. To do that, I just do 8 plus 0 is 8. 8 plus 4 is 12, so the 2 goes down and the 1 goes above the other one over there. And then I have 9 plus 1, which is 11, and then put in my comma, so my final answer is 1,128. Alright, the next is 38 times 64. So again, try to use the standard algorithm to solve this problem. 38 times 64. First again, I'm going to stack them on top of each other. And I did the extra step before, but again, I'm going to pretend that the 6 isn't even here. I'm just going to do 38 times 4. And 8 times 4 is 32. 2 goes down, 3 goes up. 4 times 3 is 12, plus 3 is 15. So I have 152. So now I'm going to cross out, oops. So then I'm going to cross out the 4 and the 3 as if so they're not there anymore. So now I'm doing 6 times 38, but it's not really 6, it's 60. So I am going to put a 0 down here and then do 6 times 8. 6 times 8. Oops, there's the cross off. And I'm going to put the 6 times 8 is 48, so the 8 goes down, 4 goes up there. 6 times 3 is 18, plus 4 is 22, so I do that. Now I'm going to add them together. 2 plus 0 is 2, 8 plus 5 is 13, bring over the 1. 2 plus 1 is 4, and then bring down the 2 and put in my comma. 2,432. Now I'm going to look at 3-digit by 2-digit. Nothing's changing here. I'm just doing a little bit more multiplication. So again, I'm going to stack them on top of each other like that. Let's start off with 9 times 8, which is 72. Pretending like this 2 is not even here. Just doing 278 times 9. 72, 9 times 8. And then this 2 goes down, 7 goes up. 9 times 7 is 63. Plus 7 is 70. Put down the 0, put up a 7. Then I am going to do 9 times 2, which is 18. Plus 7 is 25. So 2,502. So now the 9 is gone. Put down the 0. 9 is gone. The 7 is gone also. Both 7s. So I don't confuse my work. The 0 is here because it's times 20, not times 2. So now I'm going to do 2 times 2, 78. 2 times 8 is 16. Bring up the 1. 2 times 7 is 14. Plus 1 is 15. So 5 goes down. 1 goes up. 2 times 2 is 4. Plus 1 is 5. And then I'm going to add them together. 2 plus 0 is 2. 6 plus 0 is 6. 5 plus 5 is 10. And the 0 goes down, the 1 goes up. 5 plus 2 is 7, plus 1 is 8. Put in my comma, I have 8,062. So that is your lesson on the standard algorithm. Always making sure to add a 0 down here at in the next place value here to represent the tens places where you're starting to multiply.